What if I told you that most people are using Vaseline the wrong way, and that one small mistake could be the reason your skin still feels dry, dull, or rough? Yes, Vaseline is one of the most common skincare products found in almost every home, but very few people actually understand how it really works. Some people think it moisturizes the skin, others use it daily without knowing whether it suits their skin type or not. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the real truth about Vaseline, how it actually works, and the best natural ingredients you can combine with it to get softer, smoother, and healthier skin. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because one simple tip could completely change the way you use Vaseline. Before we move forward, it's important to understand one simple truth. Vaseline does not actually hydrate your skin by itself. Instead, it works by creating a thin protective layer on the surface of the skin, which helps lock in the moisture that is already there. That means if your skin is very dry and you apply Vaseline alone, it may not give the results you expect. But when it is combined with the right ingredients, it can become a powerful remedy that helps the skin stay soft, smooth, and healthy for longer. So now, let's talk about the best natural ingredients that work amazingly well when used together with Vaseline. Before we begin, remember that Vaseline works best when combined with ingredients that actually provide hydration or nourishment to the skin. Number 1. Glycerin Plus. Vaseline Deep Moisture Lock. Glycerin is a powerful humectant, which means it draws moisture from the air and helps the skin stay hydrated, but sometimes it evaporates too quickly from the skin. When combined with Vaseline, this simple home remedy becomes a deep moisturizing powerhouse. Vaseline acts as a protective barrier, locking in the hydration that glycerin provides, making it perfect for very dry hands, cracked heels, elbows, knees, or any rough patches caused by cold weather or frequent washing. To prepare it, just mix 1 teaspoon of glycerin with 1 teaspoon of Vaseline until smooth. Apply a thin layer on dry areas, massage gently for a minute or two, and leave it overnight for best results. With regular use, this combination softens hardened skin, prevents moisture loss, and gives a smooth, nourished texture that feels instantly better. It's completely natural, chemical-free, and safe for children, adults, and elderly people, making it a go-to remedy for anyone struggling with dryness, roughness, or cracked skin. Even after just a few nights, you'll notice your skin becoming softer, smoother, and healthier, proving that sometimes the simplest remedies are the most effective. Number 2. Coconut Oil Plus. Vaseline, the ultimate winter skin. Rescue. Coconut oil is packed with natural fats and antioxidants that deeply nourish the skin, making it one of the most effective remedies for rough, dry, or flaky skin, especially during winter. When combined with Vaseline, it becomes an overnight treatment that not only hydrates but also protects the skin from further moisture loss. Coconut oil penetrates the skin to deliver nutrients that repair damaged cells, while Vaseline forms a barrier on top, locking in the hydration and allowing the nourishing effects to work for hours, even while you sleep. To prepare this remedy, mix 1 tablespoon of pure coconut oil with 1 tablespoon of Vaseline until smooth and creamy, then apply a thin layer to dry areas such as hands, feet, elbows, or knees, massaging gently for 1 to 2 minutes. Leave it on overnight for maximum benefits and rinse with warm water in the morning. This combination instantly softens the skin, repairs rough patches, provides long-lasting moisture, and gradually improves texture and smoothness. It is especially useful for homemakers, outdoor workers, and anyone experiencing extreme dryness or winter-related skin issues. Completely natural and chemical-free, this simple home remedy can transform rough, cracked, and dull skin into soft, smooth, and nourished skin with consistent use. Number 3. Olive oil plus Vaseline, natural skin repair. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats that help repair and nourish dry, damaged skin, making it a perfect natural remedy for rough patches, dryness, or dullness. When combined with Vaseline, it becomes an incredibly effective treatment that locks in moisture and supports the skin's natural repair process overnight. The olive oil penetrates deeply, providing nutrients that soften and rejuvenate the skin, while Vaseline forms a protective barrier that prevents moisture from escaping and shields the skin from harsh environmental factors. To prepare this remedy, mix 1 tablespoon of olive oil with 1 tablespoon of Vaseline until smooth and creamy. Then apply a thin layer on dry areas such as elbows, hands, feet, or even the face in small amounts, gently massaging it in for 1 to 2 minutes. Leave it on overnight for maximum benefit and rinse in the morning. With consistent use, this combination can help reduce roughness, improve skin texture, restore softness, and give a natural glow, making it an excellent chemical-free alternative to expensive creams and serums. It's suitable for all skin types except extremely oily or acne-prone skin, and it's especially helpful for anyone dealing with winter dryness, tired skin, or areas that need extra nourishment and protection. Number 4, oatmeal plus Vaseline soothing and softening treatment. Oatmeal is a natural ingredient known for its soothing, anti-inflammatory, and moisturizing properties, making it perfect for sensitive, irritated, or dry skin. When combined with Vaseline, it creates a powerful overnight treatment that not only hydrates but also calms redness, itchiness, and rough patches. Oatmeal gently exfoliates dead skin cells, absorbs excess oil in dry, oily areas, and helps improve overall texture, while Vaseline locks in the moisture and nourishment, allowing the skin to repair itself while you sleep. To prepare this remedy, grind a small amount of oatmeal into a fine powder. Mix 1 tablespoon of the oatmeal powder with 1 tablespoon of Vaseline until you get a smooth, creamy paste, and apply it on dry or irritated areas like elbows, knees, hands, or even the face in small amounts. Massage gently for a minute, leave it overnight, and rinse in the morning with lukewarm water. With regular use, this combination can reduce dryness, soften rough skin, calm irritation, and give a fresh, smooth, and nourished appearance. It's completely natural, chemical-free, and safe for most skin types, making it an ideal remedy for anyone struggling with winter dryness, sensitive skin, or areas prone to roughness and irritation. Number 5, Honey Plus Vaseline, natural glow and repair. Honey is a natural healer packed with antibacterial, antioxidant, and skin-repairing properties, making it perfect for dry, dull, or damaged skin, as well as cracked lips or rough patches. When combined with Vaseline, it creates a deeply nourishing and protective treatment that locks in moisture, repairs skin, and gives a natural glow overnight. Honey hydrates the skin, soothes irritation, and helps restore softness, while Vaseline seals in the hydration and forms a barrier against external elements, preventing further dryness or damage. To prepare this remedy, mix 1 tablespoon of pure honey with 1 tablespoon of Vaseline until it becomes smooth and creamy. Then apply a thin layer on dry areas such as hands, feet, elbows, knees, lips, or even the face in small amounts. Massage gently for a minute, leave it overnight, and rinse in the morning with lukewarm water. With regular use, this combination can soften rough patches, reduce dryness, improve texture, and bring out a fresh, radiant, and healthy-looking glow. It is completely natural, chemical-free, and safe for most skin types, making it a simple yet highly effective solution for anyone looking to improve skin softness, smoothness, and overall appearance without expensive creams or treatments. So there you have it. 5 simple, natural, and highly effective ways to use Vaseline for soft, smooth, and healthy skin. These remedies are easy to make at home, completely natural, and free from chemicals, yet they work wonders when used consistently. Whether it's dry hands, cracked feet, rough elbows, dull skin, or even cracked lips, these combinations help repair, nourish, and protect your skin naturally. Remember, the key is using Vaseline the right way with ingredients that actually provide hydration and nourishment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more simple and effective skincare tips that really work. Also, comment below which combination you're excited to try first. I read every comment and love hearing from you. Your skin deserves care, and with these natural remedies, glowing, soft, and healthy skin is just a night away.